Hello, how are you all? In today's video, we are going to see incredible machines that are used in the food industry and improves the production process. After being sorted by size and quality, removing any damaged or diseased fruit, pineapples are washed to take out any dirt or debris. The chopped pineapple is placed in a large tank and heated to a high temperature to deactivate enzymes that cause browning and spoilage. The juice is filtered to remove any pulp or solids and then is heated again. A high temperature to pasteurize it and kill any bacteria or pathogens. Once pasteurized, juice is cooled and stored in sterile containers, which are labeled and packaged for distribution. Parmigiano Reggiano is a hard, granular cheese that is made from cow's milk. Its production process is highly regulated and governed by a consortium of producers. The milk must come from cows that are fed a specific diet and raised in a specific region. This milk is heated to a specific temperature that can vary between 30 to 40 Celsius, and then combined with rennet to coagulate the milk. The resulting curds are cut into small pieces and stirred to release the whey and then gathered into a large mass and placed in a cloth-lined mold. The cheese is pressed for several hours to remove any remaining whey and placed in a brine solution for several weeks to give the cheese its distinctive flavor and texture. The cheese is then aged for a minimum of 12 months and up to 36 months or more. For higher quality varieties, sausage production typically involves the use of meat trimmings and other byproducts from the meat processing industry. The raw materials are first ground, mixed with seasonings and spices, and then emulsified to create a homogeneous meat batter, which is fed into a sausage stuffer. The stuffer uses a piston or auger to force the meat mixture into casings that are linked together using a linking machine that twists them at regular intervals to create individual sausages of a uniform size. Sausage production may also involve the use of various additives, such as binders or stabilizers, to improve the texture and shelf life of the final product. The diameter of the sausage can be controlled by adjusting the nozzle on the stuffer. Which can also be used to create sausages of different shapes and sizes. Some meat processing companies have developed nitrite-free curing processes using natural ingredients like celery powder as the use of nitrites and nitrates in cured. Meat products has caused some controversy due to their potential health risks. The donuts are typically cut using automated donut cutters that can cut multiple donuts at once and loaded into industrial-sized fryers that can fry hundreds or even thousands of donuts per hour using a conveyor belt system to move the donuts through the frying process. The filling machines use a piston or rotary filling machines to inject the jam into their center, some of which may even have several nozzles that can inject the filling into several donuts simultaneously. The glaze may also be flavored or colored to create a great variety of finishes. The production of butterfly cookies is kind of similar, but has very different results. Once the dough is prepared, it is typically rolled out into thin sheets using specialized rolling machines and then cut using cooking cutters. Then, they are typically baked at a temperature range of 175 to 190 Celsius for around 10 to 12 minutes and cooled on wire racks or conveyor belts before coating them with melted chocolate with a controlled applying to ensure its consistency. The same process is taken for the cinnamon rolls, but the dough is rolled before into a tight spiral with the cinnamon sugar mixture on the inside that tastes delicious. Nemco latest countertop innovation completely removes core and shell with a simple pull of its easy action up-down lever. A looking mechanism holds the handle, blade in the upward position, while is the pineapple being loaded, simplifying the cut with its up and down drive and ergonomic handle. Easy Chopper, on the other hand, does most of the work so you can cut cleanly in a single pass with a 3.5-inch square cutting area. This machine for making Easter eggs or other hollow chocolate figures fixes the molds with a double magnet that allows the movement of molds weighing up to 1 kilogram. It also has a motor to vibrate the molds in order to distribute the chocolate properly. Chapati making machines use a combination of mechanical and electronic components to automate the process of making chapatis, flattening the dough, and rolling out into thin, circular discs by a series of rollers and rotating discs. The cooking surface is designed to apply uniform heat to the chapatis. ensuring they are cooked evenly on both sides. Egg processing machines are designed to handle large quantities of eggs, typically in the thousands or even millions per hour, washing the eggs to remove any dirt, bacteria, or debris from the shell with a combination of water and sanitizing agents. Egg grading machines use a combination of sensors and cameras to sort the eggs according to size and weight, and classify them into 5 different categories: jumbo, extra large, large, medium and small. See how this machine facilitates the process thanks to its peeler function. You can quickly make delicious cabbage slices with its unique sliding blade. Mechanism: being able to cut also other vegetables, such as onions or potatoes. The thickness can be adjusted up to 2.5 mm and allows cabbages up to 20 cm. Its design is safe and prevents you from cutting yourself with a knife or the sharp blade of a mandolin, as well as saving you preparation time. It is super easy to clean, and the flat blade can be easily exchanged when damaged or dull. Thanks for watching, and tell us in the comments if you are willing to try any of these gadgets. Don't forget to subscribe.